What's going on, traders? This is Mike with Tactical Traders. We're going to be going over Allg from a technical standpoint. Right now, I have the year chart on the daily pulled up, and as you can see, pretty much overall, this has been trending in a downwards fashion, hitting that low of 335, and kind of flatlining, slowly building some higher lows. And you see the MACD starting to get to that positive zone. So we're going to start looking at this. And let's go over a couple obvious areas of resistance and support. So support, let's just start there. We'll do that $3.35 area as an area of support. It's pretty much just an obvious. It is the low overall, but we're just going to put that there just in case. And let's look at some areas of resistance. So it looks like 575 for the most part. You can see it had a little bit of resistance here and on today. I'm going to draw it right there. And obviously some area resistance. Yeah, we can actually go all the way back with this one. To right about, yeah, I'd say right about here, the 750 area. And above that, I'm liking right here. And I'm actually also going to put one right there. Just looking. Yeah. And it's pretty much as high as I'm going to go to this $15 mark. After that, we can already see. Excuse me, traders. All right. Excuse me. And I'm also say that $20 mark. So, all right, let's overall, here we have the daily areas of resistance mapped out. Now let's bring it down to a 30-minute, 10-day. All right, so we have a pretty nice little pattern shaping up right here. So yeah, let's just outline that. You can see a very nice little bull pull going up right now, and now we're going to an area of consolidation. Pretty much right here. This is kind of a textbook bull flag and pull. Right there, pretty much just drawing it out. Drop it down to the 5-minute. You can see even more. It's just consolidating right now inside this flag. So what are we looking at? Going into the next coming days is a breakout actually from a bullish point of view. Overall, I'm going to say this $6 or 550 area, anywhere between there, it's going to be intraday areas of resistance. I'm going to just draw that up right here. So overall, you're going to want to be seeing the price push out the $6 range, the increased amount of volume at the same time coming through, just so you see a lot of buying pressure. And after that, we're going to zoom back out to the 30-minute. So you can see that this moves, let's say from $4 from the actual breakout to this high at, let's say, call it 6. So $2 range for an average breakout on ALG, and $2 up from, let's say, that $6 range. Maybe we can go back to the, we're going to have to go all the way back to the yearly. All right, yeah, so $2 past that 6, we're brings you right to that $758 area, and that's where we have our next area of resistance. So I think we have a pretty good chance of hitting that 730 to 750 at least, giving us a nice dollar and a point and a half move. So that's one area I'd be taking profits from. I wouldn't be surprised to see this hit pre-market. And then after that, after we get that 758, then we could possibly look at the 10 to 11, $12 area, and more areas of putting, taking some resistance, I mean, some profit at areas of resistance. So overall, this is an interesting one to look. We're really gonna need that volume fall through on that. But overall, let's bring it back to this bull flag. This is the main pattern. We're gonna be looking for a breakout. Above 6, I think we can get some good momentum going, but we're gonna need that volume to come in too. All right, thank you for watching, traders.